Startling numbers for you now. From the beginning of this year until the end of June, the Milwaukee Medical Examiner reports 211 people suffered drug-related deaths.
But the number of overdose deaths is increasing among a particular part of the population. I spoke with one Milwaukee facility about how they're hoping to help as many people fight addiction as they can.
I've known quite a few people personally in the last, I'd say, 5 years or so that have passed from overdoses.
Keon Bellinger knows the pain of opioid addiction.
I started off with painkillers primarily.
But he also knows what the other side, recovery, feels like.
It's turned out to be a blessing for me.
Bellinger found help at Serenity Inns in Milwaukee. It's a transitional residential facility for people struggling with drug abuse. Now he works there as an innkeeper, setting an example for the people who come through the door.
There is a way out for you. There is hope.
CEO Kenneth Jinlak says they often have a wait list, and that coincides with the spike in opioid overdoses and deaths he's seen in the last 2 years.
The opioid epidemic is hitting the Black community hard, and we need to pay attention.
A recent analysis from the CDC says fatal overdoses increased by 44% among Black people in 2020 compared to 2019. Jinlak believes part of that is people not knowing where to get treatment.
In low-income communities, the health disparities and access to treatment has always been a huge barrier.
Jinlak says it's an epidemic everywhere, but particularly hit Milwaukee's South Side.
A common drug in this community is cocaine that's abused.
In 2021, the Milwaukee County Medical Examiner reports 613 overdose deaths. By spreading awareness and sharing resources, it's a stat Jinlak hopes to never beat. In Milwaukee, Christina Van Zelst, FOX6 News.